Hey to my blessed and bougie besties. How you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well with your soul. And my name is Bethany, and over here on this side of the street, I'm here to give you some mojo to get through the hour, the day, the week. You're going to get some good entertainment, quite a few chuckles. We are definitely bougie on the budget, blessed and highly favored, and I'm your friend till the end. Go ahead and hit that subscribe and become a part of the bestie crew, and stay a while. To my OGs, I love you. I thank the Lord for you. Now you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it. Alright, family, look at this. Look. Why? Look, all these parking spaces. Why he got to be right next to me, though? I'm just saying. It's 7 o'clock. What? No, it's like 9 o'clock in the morning. Why are you right there? Look at this. Anyway, here's our Sam's haul. Woohoo! Hello, besties. Grocery haul. So we're gonna start over here. Hold on. Sam's Club. We got a 3-pack of Tostitos cheese dip. I picked up the rotisserie chicken salad. That's bomb, by the way. I hope y'all eat that because that's bomb. I got 2 of the 24-count eggs. They have put a limit on your eggs now, so you can only get 2 at a time now. We got some smoked sausage, the teriyaki beef noodles, and we have a case of the, what is this, chicken oodles and noodles, or ramen, whichever one you want to call it. I've got some spicy sweet chili, barbecue, hot fries for Jada, spicy nachos for Preston, ranch dressing, crispy chicken strips, mesquite grilled chicken fillets, ground meat. It's already split, so I just cut it in half for my news. And I get 2 meals out of this because I think it's like 5 pounds a piece or something like that. Or 2 pounds. I don't know. Either way, it's 2 meals. I picked up some roasts. These were actually on sale. I think they're getting ready to expire. But that's 2 meals right there. And of course, I was able to get me some steak. Powdered sugar donuts, peanut butter Uncrustables, peanut butter crackers, Lucky Charms cinnamon toast crunch treats, 160 slices of cheese, Uno Tastefuls steak and cheese. This is for hubby's lunch. Echo Body Greek yogurt. This is for hubby. It gives him 11 grams of protein, so he needed that. Go-gurt for the kiddos. Go-go squeeze. Pizza Lunchables. Texas toast cinnamon rolls, chicken fried rice, instant oatmeal, Pop-Tarts. It's blueberry, cherry, strawberry. The Kind bars. This is dark chocolate and sea salt and caramel almond and sea salt. Fruit Loops, Donut Shop coffee, fruit snacks, and the Lucky Charms cereal. We also got some Utz. Y'all see the flavors. We also got a box of Wise. Y'all see the flavors. String cheese, bacon bits, Baby Bell cheese, the variety pack of, what is this stuff called? Jello and fruit, a giant thing of butter, bacon. Now we have Frappuccino, chocolate milk, 2 cases of water, the case of Snapple juice, Kool-Aid Jammers, Brisk Tea, Fago, Pepsi, Sunny D, Welch's, and there is a thing of Mountain Dew, but I don't know where it went. Oh, there it is. Mountain Dew, right in the back there. And that is all for my haul. Excuse the dirty dishes. Those are going to get cleaned in a minute. So, now let's put it all away.
Looking at us, thinking we had too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that you got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. 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 He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation, but what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah.
Hey babe, look what hole I am in. I try not to think too much about what might have been. How nice if I just could let you in. I know you could be my remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I knew you could be my remedy. If I gave you my heart, you could tear it apart. And if I tell you how I feel, would you be good to me? Good to me. How nice if I just could let you in. I know you could be my remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I know you could be my remedy.
Hello, besties. The rest of the grocery haul. For lunch, we're gonna have buffalo chicken pizza and triple meat pizza. I picked up. I went to Aldi. Honey barbecue chicken strips, chicken nuggets, 2 bags of seasoned French fries, a bag of steak fries, chocolate chip cookies, iced oatmeal cookies, lettuce, bell pepper, Honeycrisp apples, baby oranges, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, gallon of milk, maple sausage, 2 of the protein snack selects, honey, and 2 of the regular turkey teeth, plain coffee creamer, mayonnaise. I picked this up and I was like, it looked good, and I'm like, all I need to do is add some ice and some milk to it. So I'm gonna see how it tastes. I'll let y'all know. Salted caramel mocha coffee creamer for husband, extra cream whipped topping, a bag of cheddar and Italian shredded cheese, 2 things of hamburger buns, 2 things of hot dog buns, and 3 loaves of bread. And that's all that I got. Let's put it away.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above the door, meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all, I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again, yeah. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go.
Now it's time to say goodbye to all my bougie friends. Thank you for being here. Love you, and I will catch you in the next one. If you stayed and you rocked with me all the way to the end, drop me some purple hearts down in the comments.
Start to believe in myself and life will be sweet again.